The OPPO Find N5 is OPPO's latest flagship foldable smartphone. OPPO has focused on refining the foldable experience with the Find N5, emphasizing a sleek design and powerful performance. It's highlighted as the world's thinnest book-style foldable smartphone. It boasts a very slim profile when both folded and unfolded. It is also very lightweight. The Find N5 is designed with OPPO's new titanium flexion hinge, utilizing aerospace-grade titanium alloy to improve durability while maintaining a thin and lightweight structure. The hinge is 26% slimmer than its predecessor, with a crease width reduced by 10% and depth by 30%, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The device also boasts two Rhineland dual foldable durability certifications, ensuring longevity even after 100,000 folding cycles. The Find N5 features a 6.62-inch outer AMOLED screen with an 11:26:16 resolution and 120 Hz LTPO refresh rate, reaching up to 2,450 nits peak brightness. The inner foldable display measures 8.12 inches with a 2248-2480 resolution, also supporting 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rates and 20,100 nits peak brightness. Both displays utilize 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming for reduced eye strain and improved brightness control. Additionally, OPPO has integrated ultra-thin glass UG and nano crystal glass for enhanced durability and a smoother touch experience. Both displays support the OPPO Pen Stylus, which is available separately. OPPO has managed to keep the Find N5 incredibly slim. When unfolded, the device is just 4.21 millimeters thin, making it one of the slimmest foldables available. When folded, it measures 8.93 millimeters, aligning closely with the thickness of its USB-C port. The glass version weighs 229 grams, while the leather version is slightly heavier at 239 grams. Under the hood, the Find N5 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite, Qualcomm's latest 3 chipset, with up to 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage for high-end performance. It features Android 15 with ColorOS 15, bringing improved multitasking, AI-powered search, and AI call summaries. The company has also improved cross-device functionality with OPPO Connect, enabling seamless file sharing and remote access between the Find N5 and Mac devices. The Find N5 is equipped with a 50-megapixel ultra-vision main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens supporting 6x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a 160-degree field of view. OPPO has collaborated with Hasselblad to fine-tune the imaging capabilities, delivering richer colors and sharper details. On the front, both the cover screen and the main foldable display house an 8-megapixel selfie camera, supporting up to 4K video recording. The device packs a 5,600 mAh Glacier battery for extended use while maintaining a slim design. It supports 80-watt SuperVOOC wired charging, reaching full charge in 42 minutes, along with 50 watts wireless and 10-watt reverse wireless charging for accessories. The Find N5 also comes with IPX6, IPX8, and IPX9 ratings, offering strong water resistance against splashes and submersion. The device includes stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and USB Type-C audio for enhanced connectivity. The device also features an alert slider for quick sound profile adjustments, further improving usability. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.